Open source software is great, but one of the huge risk factor associated with open source software is its security. Most of the organizations want to implement open source software in their fleet, but they are worried about the security vulnerabilities in that software. They appreciate the value which open source software add to any organization and plus the cost saving, but they're always worried about that what sort of loopholes are there. Google has come to rescue again. Google has built on its own effort to improve open source software security, and they have announced the general availability of this assured open source software or assured OSS service for Java and Python ecosystem. And it's a completely free service. And with this assured open source software service, any organization that uses open source software can leverage this opportunity to use a secure and safe open source software, and they can use open source dependencies from Python and Java SDKs, easily incorporating them in their own software. So by using assured OSS, companies can obtain their OSS packages from a trusted and known supplier. Also, they are rest assured to know more about their ingredients with assured SBOMs provided in industry standards formats like SPDX and VEX. Plus, they reduce risk as Google is actively scanning, finding, and fixing new vulnerabilities in curated packages. It increases the confidence in the integrity of the ingredients they are using through signed, tamper evident provenance. Now you have the possibility to choose from more than 1,000 of most popular Java and Python packages, including common machine learning and artificial intelligence projects like TensorFlow, Pandas, and Scikit-learn. So, assured OSS guard OSS packages against attacks and risk by continuously mirroring key external ecosystems to manage end-to-end security, and they also enable you in managing the security and integrity of mirrored repos and end-to-end build tool chain. Plus, it continuously scans for fuzz testing and fixing critical loopholes, which are then quickly contributed back upstream to limit the exposure time and blast radius. And one more great thing is that this assured OSS guards you from any attacks because is operating a critical patching team to support covered packages. So I hope that this is useful for you. If you want to get started today with OSS, all you need to do is to fill out a form in Google, which I'll put the link in the video's description. Plus, you need to enable the API and then use the metadata API to list available Python and Java packages. And then all you need to do is to connect your software development pipeline where you build the code with this your Artifactory or Nexus. So that's about it. I hope this was useful and and you're excited about it. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them down the below video. Thank you.